get ready for a tidal wave of AI innovation. We're diving deep into GitHub's game-changing Spec-Kit for Claude projects, uncovering the shocking security flaws in Anthropic's Claude code, and revealing how Claude can now create and edit your files like never before. Plus, we've got the full breakdown on Claude's new PDF, Word, and Excel file generation capabilities. You do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update. First up, GitHub is revolutionizing software development with its new Spec-Kit, designed to supercharge Claude code projects through specification-driven planning. We'll explore how this toolkit is set to transform your development cycles, making complex projects more manageable than ever before. Get ready to see how structured planning meets cutting-edge AI. But hold on, is this AI advancement coming with a hidden cost? We're investigating alarming reports about Anthropic's Claude code, where automated security reviews might be creating more risks than they solve. Could testing code by running it actually be a major security blunder? We're breaking down the critical findings that every developer needs to know. And the AI evolution continues. Claude is leveling up again, now capable of creating and editing actual files, think spreadsheets, documents, and PDFs, directly within Claude. AI, this is a massive leap, turning Claude from a text generator into a true collaborative partner. Stick around to see how this changes everything, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of these groundbreaking updates. GitHub Spec-Kit, the future of structured coding. What if the biggest bottleneck in your software development process wasn't your team's skill set or tools, but the lack of a clear, structured roadmap? For years, developers have wrestled with the chaos of ambiguous requirements, disconnected workflows, and the constant pressure to deliver faster. Enter GitHub's Specify Toolkit, a fantastic option that promises to transform how we approach coding. With its specification-driven development, SDDD, methodology and integration of innovative AI agents like Claude, Specify doesn't just streamline workflows, it redefines them. The latest update, dubbed the Spec-Kit, has finally addressed the gaps, particularly in how it uses AI like Claude to supercharge coding precision and efficiency. At the heart of Specify lies the specification-driven development, SDDD, methodology, which prioritizes creating comprehensive and detailed specifications before any implementation begins. This approach reduces ambiguities, minimizes errors, and leads to more predictable outcomes. The Specify Toolkit itself is designed to streamline your development process through its standout features like AI-powered code analysis, automated documentation generation, and seamless integration with AI agents such as Claude. Its workflow is divided into 3 distinct phases: specify, plan, and tasks, ensuring that every stage is methodical and well-organized. This latest evolution of Specify is particularly exciting for developers and team leads aiming for clarity and collaboration. Early feedback suggests the Spec-Kit is a significant step forward, making structured development more accessible and efficient. However, some users still point to areas needing refinement, such as further integration with third-party tools. Overall, GitHub Spec-Kit offers a robust framework for tackling complex projects with confidence. Will this powerful toolkit truly solve all your development headaches? Find out next as we dive into a critical security concern that could change how you view AI code reviews. Anthropic's Claude code, security boon or bust? Anthropic introduced automated security reviews in Claude Code last month, aiming to ensure that no code reaches production without a baseline security review. This AI-driven check promises to scan for common vulnerability patterns like authentication flaws, insecure data handling, and SQL injection. It sounds like a dream come true for developers seeking an extra layer of security. However, App Security Outfit checkmarks has raised serious concerns. While Claude Code can indeed catch some simpler bugs, it has been found to miss more complex vulnerabilities, including a critical remote code execution flaw. The researchers even demonstrated how code could be crafted to mislead the AI, with a deliberately unsafe process passing the review entirely and being flagged with security impact. None. Perhaps more alarmingly, the process of Claude Code generating and executing its own test cases can potentially introduce new risks, especially when dealing with third-party libraries that might contain malicious code. Checkmarx's findings highlight a significant tension. Claude Code warns users to only use it with code you trust, which somewhat defeats the purpose of a security review. The researchers suggest that entrusting AI with code generation, testing, and security review cannot be a robust process without rigorous human oversight, especially given the ongoing challenges with prompt injection and AI suggestibility. Their advice for safer use includes never giving developer machines access to production, not using production credentials, requiring human confirmation for risky AI actions, and ensuring strong endpoint security. Is AI code security a minefield? We're moving on to how Claude is becoming an even more powerful tool, capable of creating actual files for you. Claude's file creation, your AI collaborator, arrives. Get ready to transform your workflow because Claude can now create and edit actual files. Think Excel spreadsheets, documents, and PowerPoint slide decks directly within Claude, AI, and its desktop app. This isn't just about getting text responses anymore. It's about describing what you need, uploading data, and receiving ready-to-use files in return. This capability is rolling out, with preview available for Max, Team, and Enterprise plan users, and coming soon for Pro users. This feature empowers Claude to act as an active collaborator. You provide the context and strategy, and Claude handles the technical implementation behind the scenes. Imagine needing a customer segmentation analysis, sales forecasting, or budget tracking. Claude can now generate these files, turning complex tasks that normally require programming or statistical expertise into a simple conversation. Claude achieves this by writing and running code in a private computer environment, allowing it to process uploaded data, conduct research, or build from scratch to produce the desired output. Whether you need a detailed report, a complex spreadsheet for business analysis, or presentation slides, Claude can now deliver. Users are excited about the potential to drastically reduce the time and effort needed for data analysis and document creation. The ability to move from idea to execution with such ease is a game changer. However, Anthropic does issue a crucial warning. This feature gives Claude internet access for file creation and analysis, which could potentially put your data at risk. They advise close monitoring of chats when using this feature and recommend starting with straightforward tasks before moving to more complex projects. This file creation power is seriously impressive, but how exactly does it work in practice? We'll show you a real-world example next, and then wrap up with a rapid-fire recap of all today's top AI stories. Claude's new file generation, turning prompts into products. Anthropic has just rolled out a feature that's set to revolutionize how you interact with AI. Claude can now create files for you directly from your prompts. This means you can request PDFs, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and even PowerPoint presentations, and Claude will generate them for download. Available for Claude Max, Team, and Enterprise users, with Pro users getting access soon, this feature turns Claude into a powerful production tool. Here's how it works. Claude processes your requests in a private computing environment where it can write and execute code. You can upload existing files, ask Claude to extract data, perform analyses, or generate content based on your instructions. For example, a user wanting to understand sales data for a food truck fleet could upload their sales figures and ask Claude to identify key patterns, outline revenue drivers, and present top opportunities with clear visuals in a Google Doc. Claude can then generate this detailed report. The feature also extends to creating interactive spreadsheets for tasks like testing price points for menu items, offering immense flexibility for business planning and analysis. This new capability promises significant time savings, especially for data-intensive tasks. The ability to generate complex documents and analyses through simple conversation is a major leap. Anthropic does caution that granting Claude internet access for these tasks carries potential data risks, and users are advised to proceed with awareness and monitor their interactions closely. Starting with simpler tasks and gradually progressing to more complex prompts is recommended to get the most out of this powerful new file generation feature. We've covered a lot of ground today, from coding tools to AI security and document creation. Get ready for a quick recap of all the biggest AI news, and don't forget to subscribe. And that's a wrap on the latest AI breakthroughs. We saw how GitHub Spec-Kit is boosting Claude Code projects with structured planning. We uncovered critical security concerns with Anthropic's Claude Code reviews. And we explored how Claude is now creating and editing actual files like PDFs, Word docs, and Excel spreadsheets for you. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI insights, hit the notification bell, and let us know in the comments which AI advancement you're most excited about. Follow us on social media for even more daily AI news.